Hello students, today we will continue our first chapter, matter in surrounding. So it is a very important topic, conversion of temperature. Always one question comes from this topic. So let us start how to convert the degree to Kelvin scale or Kelvin to degree Celsius scale. So let us start. So here we have two thermometers. You can observe here we have two thermometers, one in centigrade and second is in Kelvin. Now observe these two values. See, on the both side we have written two values. Now if I ask what is the freezing point of water in Celsius, then you have to say 0 degree Celsius. If I ask then what is the boiling point of the water, then you will say 100 degree Celsius. If I ask what is the freezing point of water in Kelvin scale, then what would you say? It would be 273 Kelvin. And the boiling point of the water in Kelvin is 373 Kelvin. So always remember that we write degree cells. We always say temperature itne degree. So we always use degree only in Celsius scale. In centigrade scale we use only degree. We don't use degree in Kelvin scale. So always remember, use of degree is only in Celsius scale. We don't use that degree word in Kelvin scale. So now after these two values you will observe here we have written one more value. See, on both of the side we have written one more value. In Celsius scale we have written minus 273 degrees Celsius, and in 273 in Kelvin scale we have written 0 Kelvin. So this temperature which is below than 0 degree Celsius is known as absolute temperature. Below 0 degree Celsius minus 273 degrees Celsius, which is also called Bose-Einstein's condensate state of the matter, that is formed on the absolute zero, and that is the state on which that Bose-Einstein condensate state is formed. So the below 0 degree the temperature form minus 273 degrees Celsius is known as absolute zero temperature. So what is absolute temperature? Below the 0 degree Celsius and below the 273 Kelvin, the temperature in Celsius minus 273 degrees Celsius is absolute zero temperature in Celsius scale, and 0 Kelvin in 0 Kelvin in Kelvin scale. I hope these two thermometer temperature reading you have learned. So we have to remember freezing point of water in Celsius as well as Kelvin, and the boiling point of the water in Celsius as well as in Kelvin, and the absolute temperature of the Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. So let us learn how to convert. If we have given the temperature in Kelvin and we have to find out we have to convert it in Celsius, then how we can find that in Celsius. So let us learn. So you have remembered all these temperatures. The water freezing point is in Kelvin 273. Water boiling point is 373 Kelvin. Water freezing point in Celsius is 0 degree Celsius, and water boiling point in Celsius is 0 degree Celsius. 100 degree Celsius. We always write degree symbol over C. This we can't say 0 we say always degree. So now let us learn how to convert Kelvin to degree Celsius. So here we have given the temperature in Kelvin 283 Kelvin, and we have to convert it in Celsius. So how we can convert it? So here we have a formula through which we can use this formula. We can convert the Kelvin scale into Celsius scale. The formula is C is equals to K minus 273. So this is the formula. Now put the value in this formula. C is equals to K minus 273. So what is the value of K? Here it is given 283 minus 273. We find 10 degree Celsius. So always remember and don't forget to write degree Celsius in Celsius. So we have to use this formula to convert Kelvin to Celsius. So remember this formula to convert Kelvin to Celsius. Now next is Celsius to Kelvin. How to convert the temperature Celsius to Kelvin? It is just opposite to the Kelvin to Celsius. जो पहले हमने formula किया, just we have done earlier, we have to just opposite is to convert Celsius to Kelvin. So T plus 273 Kelvin. For example, convert to 27 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Now solution is, we have the formula K is equals to C plus 273. So K, and what is the value of Celsius scale? 27. So plus 273, and we find K is equals to 300 Kelvin. So here we have to remember two formulas. First is when we convert Kelvin to Celsius, then C is equals to K minus 273. If we convert Celsius to Kelvin, then we have to remember this formula C plus 273. So these are the two formulas which you have to remember for this to convert the temperature from Celsius to Kelvin or Kelvin to scale as Kelvin to Celsius. I hope this